I've got the front cover just about where I want it. The problem is I bought this bike 24 years ago, and a lot of the plastics are original and they've shrunk and they've moved, so everything doesn't fit as well as I'd like to have it fit. And I do have new plastics, but I'm not going to use them because I'm saving them. That's kind of acceptable right there, but I'm still going to take it off and recheck it. And the filler hole goes through. It goes up okay over here. And okay along here. I have a little bit of a problem right there. I'm not sure if I'm hitting a little foam or whatever. And then the next thing I have to do, there's a couple of next things I have to do. One is, what I could do is take out the pieces that are already cut from the styrene insulation and cut some brand new ones that are one piece and pretty solid. Then I'm going to run a vacuum line from here. I believe I'm going to run it all the way down under this fender right here to the overflow bottle, but I have to make it look professional and pretty good. The panels they're dirty, but I put Armor all over them, and they really it really helps everything just look better. So that's where I am with this right now. And this is the stuff. I went out and got some of this from a shed. It's called polyester insulation Formula 150 Foamular stuff. You just take it and cut it out any way you want. So little by little I'm putting the bike together, and hopefully I'll have it all done to go by late April. I have 3 months of cold weather to work on it. So it's coming together. Thanks.